The knowledge chest. Come and learn together.
Selected.
Hi and
Photos.
welcome to
Button.
another recording, another voice-over trick. Shall we call it? No, voice-over tip, rather. Well, I want to show you something anyway, so let's dive right in. I'm going to just quickly turn my screen curtain off for those who may want to see.
Screen curtain off.
So now I'm going to press the home button to just go to my home screen.
Selected. Screen recording. Button.
Now I'm on my home screen and I'm going to go to settings.
Dock. Settings. Settings.
And go all the way down to accessibility. Yes, people, this is a voice over tip.
First mobile service. Focus. Screen. Display. Home screen. Accessibility. Accessibility. Vision. Heading.
Double tap there. And then I'm going to go to voiceover
Voiceover. On.
on
Button.
and just double tap there.
Voiceover speaks items on the screen.
And then we're going to scroll down basically by doing a 3-finger flip up.
Row 7 to 18 of 8. Row 7 to 18 of 18.
And I'm going to go all the way down, slide my finger all the way down.
Double tap timeout. 0.25. Button.
I'm going to repeat that again.
Double tap timeout. 0.25. Button.
Double tap timeout. And then there's 0 and a 0.25. Many people asked me previously, why do they not get it right when they double tap? That iPhone sees it as a double tap. Sometimes iPhone sees it as a single tap. And I have had conversations with people who are not as adept and not as quick. Maybe they have some other problems that prevents them to double tap quickly. And they just do a very slow tap, as if to speak. Sometimes it just happens that iPhone then sees it as 2 single taps. And why is that? It's because of the setting. So I'm going to show you when I double tap on this.
Double tap timeout. Heading.
And I swipe right.
Seconds. 0.25. Text field. Decrement. Button.
I swiped right again. Decrement.
Increment. Button.
Increment.
2 taps that occur within a specified timeout will perform a double tap and voiceover. 2 taps that occur within a specified timeout will perform a double tap and voiceover.
I'm at the end of my screen there. So let us say
Increment.
increment.
0.30. 0.35. 0.40.
And if I say decrement.
Decrement. Button. 0.35. 0.30.
So what does that mean? It means that iPhone, if I perform a double tap in that amount of time, then iPhone will treat it as a double tap. Else, it will be treated as 2 single taps. And that assisted me a great deal, because as a rather advanced iPhone user, I tend to double tap quite fast. And sometimes when you are a beginner, then you don't double tap as fast. I wish I had that when I had an iPhone 3GS. It would have assisted me a great deal. Thank you very much for viewing and listening to this video of today. We will speak next time.
Screen recording in progress.